Hello. If you have any Chevy, Avalanche, Tahoe, Suburban, GMC, whatever, throwing a bumping gas and it shut off quickly, you need to check the canister, you need to check the hoses, you need to check if someone dropped something, because I have a problem before. I found some gum, like kids was playing or something. They opened the tank and they dropped some gummy and candies, and it's melted inside here. And I checked it with my telescope. I have to, the other one I had to remove the whole tank completely and clean it. But for this one, when I open the hose, it go into the canister. Look at the carbon. Look at that. See that? I need to replace the canister and blow air on the hose. And you gotta disconnect the other hose in here and try not blow air. Make sure the air is going through and no any blockage. So I'm going to change this. Wow, you hear that? It's completely gone. So that would be your problem. So you will need to disconnect the bottom hoses. Then you come up here and you disconnect the verge or valve hose. You can see inside there is some carbon. So I'm going to blow air on here. It goes out from the bottom. I'm gonna follow this line. This out. I can hear it goes from the bottom. You see that? That's what you need to do to clean the hoses. Let me show you. Order a new one. Still see inside here. Shit. This is a new one. It's 2011 Chevy Avalanche. This is the new one. Got it from AutoZone. It's like $160, something like that. Okay, now I'm going to Bob and see if it's gonna shut off again. I don't know. Working great now. Good. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos.